Aged.
And breaking news that's coming in, actor Darshan has now been arrested, this time from his residence. This is after the Supreme Court's order today morning that the bail that had been granted to him has been cancelled. Actor Darshan is arrested after the Supreme Court order cancelling his bail in the Renukaswamy murder case. I'm also going to go across to Abhishek, but let's tell our viewers the big breaking news that's coming in. Actor Darshan is now arrested from his residence. Abhishek is also joining us live from Bengaluru. Abhishek, right in the morning today, the Supreme Court cancelled his bail. They were extremely unhappy with the earlier High Court order that had granted bail to him. They've also, while cancelling his order, clearly stated that the Karnataka High Court should not have done this. They've also told the Karnataka government they do not want any VIP treatment to be given to him. No smoking, no VIP favors. The superintendent in the jail would be questioned if any VIP treatment is given to Darshan. Give us details about this arrest that has now taken place of actor Darshan.
Rhythm, the latest update as of now is actor Darshan, who's also the prime accused in Renukaswamy murder case, has been taken into custody by the police. In fact, he has been arrested is what the sources claim as of now. On the other hand, we've already shown the visuals of Pavitra Gowda, Nagraj, Pradosh and another accused who was brought into the police station as of now. At this point of time, the government hospital doctors are taking care of the medical requirement for these accused people, and there is a huge deployment of police on the roads where the Annapurneswari police station is located. We have at least seen 2 KSRP buses which have been come into the spot to make sure that there will be no chaos present here when Darshan and other people will be taken out towards the city civil court. Going back on a small timeline, Rhythm, it was today morning at around 10:38 and 10:40 when the Supreme Court pronounced the order with respect to Renukaswamy's murder, where the Supreme Court very clearly was upset on the decision taken by the High Court, because they obviously felt that the High Court was under utmost pressure to give bail Darshan in this case, and also they questioned the morality and the way as to how Darshan and various other accused were granted bail in Renukaswamy's case, and also in the order what we have seen as of now. It is clear that the Supreme Court doesn't want Darshan to be given any VVIP treatment as of now, and if so, any VVIP treatment is given to Darshan and various other accomplices, the superintendent of the jail custody will have to be suspended, is what the threatened order which has been come to the limelight as of now. And obviously, we have seen various other videos and visuals where Darshan was having a video call with one of his fans through the phones of one of the inmates. On the other hand, we've also seen the picture where Darshan was seen smoking a cigarette, holding a cup of coffee in the lawn area of the jail. Despite having various other circumstantial evidences, CCTV footages, call detail records and various other movements, how could High Court grant bail to a person like Darshan and the team which comprise 14 more others in heinous crimes such as murder and disposing the body in the most indecent way, is what the Supreme Court questioned. At the same point of time, despite having so many proofs against the theft, against this incident, why did the High Court grant bail is the question, and also the Supreme Court questioned the manner as to which the High Court is functioning. So, not to forget, the DCM DK Shivkumar has also reacted on the same issue in Vidhan Soudha, stating that the direct message from the Supreme Court is not to Darshan but to the government to make sure that the VVIP treatment doesn't continue in any of the jails. And also, Rhythm, we shouldn't forget, when Darshan got arrested in Renukaswamy case, B. Dayananda was the city police commissioner. Now the same person is heading the prisons department. So it is very sure that B. Dayananda is an efficient officer who will make sure no one actually gets a special treatment. Everyone are supposed to be equal below the law, is what he has already he always believes. And at this point of time, we are expecting Darshan to reach Annapurneswari layout police station in the next couple of Annapurneswari Nagar police station in the next couple of minutes. minutes. Probably by 4:30, if at all he is here, he will also get the medical test done from the government doctor themselves, and after which they will move towards the city civil court, which is located in the city center area, after which they will be produced in front of the judge, and then they will be heading towards Parappana Agrahara is what we have been informed. If at all any of the accused tries to flee away from the court or from the police, they will have to face an additional charge of contempt of court is what we have known as of now. So we are waiting, probably the fans of Darshan, the police and the entire media fraternity are waiting for Darshan's arrival as of now. Rhythm.
Oh, absolutely. Now we're getting more details on this case. He will roughly be at the police station, like Abhishek is giving us more details. And Abhishek, I also want to take our viewer to the Supreme Court words that had been there. We stay with those pictures of actor Darshan, who's been arrested. We're also going to show you details, Abhishek, of where you are. I also want to, if you are where he's being arrested or being brought, just give us a view around you. I want viewers to see where he's going to be possibly brought, Abhishek. And it's going to say the 3 points the Supreme Court today said. They don't want any VIP treatment to be given to Darshan. The Karnataka government that bought and challenged the Karnataka High Court order today, they've been clearly warned there has to be no VIP treatment to him. The rule of law is the same for everyone. And they've said any smoking, any drinking, any sort of VIP treatment or anything that they see this time, they warn that the superintendent will immediately be pulled up. So take us through what they've actually said, what's happening around you, and you can give us a 360-degree view as well, Abhishek.
Well, I will start with showing you the exact situation, what is present in front of Annapurneshwari Nagar police station. I will ask my video journalist Sadanand Biradar to move around with me to show the scenario as to how the Annapurneshwari police station looks as of now. We are in front of the Annapurneshwari police station where 2 KSRP vehicles have been deployed, which consists of at least 30 to 40 police staff. On the other hand, this road has started seeing many of the fans pouring in to have a clear view of their hero Darshan, who will be brought to custody in the next couple of minutes. We've started seeing movements of various other people belonging to Darshan's closest sector or Darshan's closest families or friends who have already assembled here to have a look at their hero. On the other point, Darshan will be brought to Annapurneshwari Nagar police station. Not to forget, Rhythm, this was the police station for the last couple of years. Nowhere in the history of Karnataka the station was covered by using various other cloths. They didn't want, especially the police and the government, then when Darshan and other were arrested in Renukaswamy case, didn't want the media to have a look at what was happening inside, and they had additionally covered the wall at least for another 15 to 20 feet so that there would be no visuals which will be coming out of the police station. And as of now, Rhythm, with coming back to the High Court's, the Supreme Court's order, it has clearly mentioned that it is unhappy on the decision and on the orders passed by the High Court of Karnataka. Despite having various other CCTV visuals, despite having circumstantial evidences, despite having various other evidences which directly show the involvement of Darshan, Pavitra Gowda, Nagraj and other people who were around these accused people, how did the High Court decide that this case can be, the accused in this case can be given a bail? On what morality did the High Court provide a bail to these people? Will the same procedure be followed if a common man did this? How, on what basis did the High Court want to give bail to these people? And also, it mentions that the procedure followed by the High Court is not accepted and it is not legal. And also, it has pointed out towards the government of Karnataka, stating with keeping 2 objects as proof. One being a video call which Darshan made from within the jail to one of his friends from the phone of another inmate. The second picture being Darshan having a cigarette along with coffee, along with other rowdy sheeter people in the lawn of the central jail. So these 2 things were noticed by the Supreme Court of India. The government of Karnataka had brought this to the notice of Supreme Court, and this is when the Supreme Court lashed out on Karnataka state government, stating that if at all, henceforth, if Darshan by chance will if at all by any chance the another visual or picture of Darshan smoking in jail comes up, the advocate for Darshan will have to personally appear in front of the Supreme Court is what the judges claimed as today in the morning. On the other hand, the DCM DK Shivakumar, who spoke to the media in the morning at Vidhan Sauda, he very clearly mentioned it was the government's part to make sure we shouldn't have given such VVIP treatment to Darshan, and we in fact will follow the orders of Supreme Court is what Darshan's advocate has told as the Supreme Court as of now. So we will get back to you with much more updates on this. We are going on a short break, but